And welcome back. In this video we're going to be looking at the British Airways Club World bag by Amenity. And as a little bonus we have these British Airways socks, eye shades, toothbrush and toothpaste bag. So first of all we'll have a look at this. This comes in a really cool little bag, drawstring bag with aeroplane designs in it. First up we have the earbuds, 3AM ones. They're quite good. Use it on places like building sites and stuff. We have the flight socks, pretty standard blue, quite long. Next up we have the Amenity skincare cream, 7 milligrams. Here we go. This is the Revive and Refresh card. We have the toothbrush, of course. Fairly standard British Airways one. And a small packet of Colgate. Always useful. These 10 milligram ones do last a couple of brushes, so I always keep hold of them. And of course we have the eye mask, which yeah, again very standard one. And lastly for this bag, we of course have the lip balm. So let's give it a smell of that. Wow, that's smells quite strongly of peppermint. So there we go. There's the Club World bag, and as the bonus, we'll have a look at this little bag. It's very basic. Same. Is it the same socks? Oh no, slightly different. Very slightly, but yeah, basically the same. Not quite as cuffed. The socks. The eye mask is more of a plastic one, which I don't like. These I tend to just sweat more in them, whereas that one's more absorbent, so I'm not too keen on them. Oh, not the camera there, but this looks interesting. It's a tube, and it slots in like that. Don't like the colour of the bristles though. And we have this tiniest little toothpaste tube. I've seen definitely only one use in that one, but this is kind of cool. I just definitely wouldn't have gone for like a yellowy look to the bristles. Okay, so that's all of them. And until the next video, ta-ra for now.